So here's the lights. So here's the light switch panel. Main power, the lights, and then the printer. Took a little bit of sanding, but they fit pretty good. Here's the second attempt for the snap panel. I had to make these clips larger since the first one's broke. Plus the panel's thicker. Advantage of that is now I have pockets to clear the LEDs. And then here's the cup, or whatever you want to call it, that goes on the back. Nice thing is, another thing I added were these to help retain the cup, keep it from sliding side to side. But you can see it goes on quite well and holds nice and snug, doesn't rattle at all. Hopefully the print I've got now will fit really good. This one fits, but it's a little small. It's a little undersized. See if you can make out so you can see the step right there. And it doesn't quite fit in the little alignment holes. You can see the little buttons on there and then the holes here for it to align.